Hi, I'm Philip at the Hamilton Museum of Steam and Technology. I'm going to show you how to make an easy merry-go-round craft to go with our spring break theme. Be a theme park engineer. Here's what you'll need. 2 small paper plates, each with a small hole in the center. 4 plastic straws, a piece of twine, paper, tape or glue, we're using tape, scissors, and crayons or markers. Start by coloring your carousel horses. We're using pre-drawn horse pictures, but you can also draw your own. Next, decorate your 2 paper plates. Mark 4 X's on the bottom of one paper plate, equal distance apart. Tape one end of the straws to the plate on the X's. Mark 4 X's on the top of the other plate, right side up. Tape the other end of the straws to these X's. Use lots of tape to make sure it's secure. Thread the twine through the hole in both paper plates. Tie a knot at the bottom. Tape your horses to the straw poles. Twist the twine between your fingers to make your merry-go-round spin.